Are you tired of using subpar keyboards for your gaming and work needs? Look no further than the Medion ERAZER Beast X40 high-end gaming laptop, equipped with the latest premium hardware and a fully mechanical keyboard featuring Cherry MX ultra low profile tactile switches. That's right, the market leader and expert for mechanical switches in keyboards, Cherry MX has partnered with Medion ERAZER to create a durable and reliable keyboard for the Beast X40. The Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile Switch is the thinnest in the MX range, with a height of only 3.5 mm, making it perfect for a high-end laptop. So let's dive into the juicy technical details of the Medion ERAZER Beast X40 high-end gaming laptop with our Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches, shall we? This laptop is a powerhouse featuring the latest and greatest hardware to give you the best gaming experience possible out there. First up, we have the Intel Core i9 13300-900HX processor, which is so fast it'll make your head spin. Paired with a whopping 32 GB of DDR5 4800 memory, you'll never have to worry about your laptop slowing down when you're in the middle of a crucial gaming session. But that's not all. The Beast X40 also boasts the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU with 16 GB of VRAM. This means you can easily play even at the most graphically intense games and enjoy them on the 17-inch QHD Plus screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio. And with NVIDIA G-Sync synchronization technology and a fast refresh rate of 240 Hz, you won't have to deal with any annoying stuttering or lag at all. And let's remember storage. The Beast X40 has a massive 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, giving you plenty of space for all your games and applications. But wait, there's even more. The Medion ERAZER Cooling Kit is an optional external water cooling system that can increase your laptop's performance by up to 10%. That's right, you heard me, 10%. So if you want to squeeze every last drop of power out of this Beast X40, this is how you do it. And finally, we come to the star of this show, the Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches. These switches are the thinnest in the MX range, but don't let their slim design fool you. They pack a punch when it comes to precision and reliability. With an actuation force of 65 cm and a pre-travel distance of only 0.8 mm, you can type and game with lightning-fast speed and accuracy. Plus, the tactile feedback gives you that satisfying feeling that mechanical keyboard enthusiasts love. So all in all, the Medion ERAZER Beast X40 is a beast of a gaming laptop that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Now that you know all about the fantastic features of the Medion ERAZER Beast X40 high-end gaming laptop with our Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches, I want to hear from you. Do you think this laptop is a game changer in the world of high-performance gaming laptops? Are you excited about the mechanical keyboard with our Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Also, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and entertaining. So, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.